Village Fair is trying to raise money for charity. This particular game, you roll a 6-sided ordinary dice and a 4-sided spinner, which is numbered 1, 2, 3, 4. You add the two scores together to get a total. If you get 0.75, you get 75p if you get a total score of 7 or 8. You get £1.80 if you get 3, 4 or 5. And they try and decide how much should they charge to make sure they don't make a loss. So if we do a table, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for the dice, and for the spinner 1, 2, 3, 4. If I do a grid, so 75p if you get 7 or 8 in total. 7 or 8, so 1 plus 6 is 7, so that's 75p you'd pay. 2 add 5 is 75p. It normally goes in diagonal, so keep an eye out for that. 3 add 4 is 75. 4 add 3 is 75. That's all the ways of getting 7. Now an 8 is 6 add 2. 3 add 5. 4 add 4. You get £1.80 if you get 3, 4 or 5. So 3, this is £1.80. £1.80. Note the diagonal again. 4 is 3 and a 1. 3 and a 1. 2 and a 2, 3 and a 1. And 5 is 1 and a 4. 2 and a 3. 3 and a 2. 4 and a 1. So if you play, there's 24 options here. If you played 24 times, you would expect to win whatever these add up to. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times 1. 9 times £1.80 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 75p. If we do that on a calculator, 9 times £1.80 plus 7 times 0.75, we get £21.45. That's what you expect to win. So clearly they've got to charge enough money to play the game so they don't lose anything. So 24 times you win £24.45. So the average win is 24.45 divided by 24, and we get, oh, it's not 24, it's 21.45, you tart. British Stall is trying to raise money for charity. You've got a game where you roll a dice, ordinary dice, and a 4-sided spinner. They tell you what's on the dice and the spinner, and you add the two scores together. People are paying, obviously, to play this game, and you give out prizes for 7 or 8, and a different prize for 3, 4, 5. We're interested to know how much should we charge people to play our game so we don't make a loss. Now, the best option here is to list all the possibilities. So if we go for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for the dice, 1, 2, 3, 4 for the spinner, and we just split it up. Now we need to know how many times will we pay 75p. So 7 or 8. 6 add 1 is 7. 2 add 5 is a 7. 3 add 4 is a 7. 4 add 3 is a 7. 2 and 6. 5 and 3, 4 and 4. So 7 ways of getting an 8. How many ways of getting a 3, 4 or 5? So we could get a 2 and a 1. Notice they go diagonally. 3 and a 1, 2 and a 2, 1 and 3. 4 and 1, 3 and 2, 2 and 3, 1 and 4. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of those. So if you played 24 times, because there's 24 options here, 6 times 4, so every 24 games you'd expect to pay out 7 times 75p's, because there's 7 ways of getting 7 or 8, and 9 lots of £1.80. Now if we do that in a calculator, we get £21.45p. So every 24 games we're paying out £21.45. So how much are we going to charge? So the average winnings, or the mean if you like, the average win is going to be £21.45 every 24 games. So we do that on a calculator and we get 0.893. So somewhere between 89p and 90p. Now it's bigger than 89p, so although that rounds to 89, we have to charge at least 90p for this particular game to make a profit, which equals 89.3 pence. So we need to charge 90p, okay, to make a profit.